Hello, 6th and 7th graders. We're going to take a look at the course selection planning sheets for the 23-24 school year. Each of you will get a copy of this planning sheet to use almost like a notes page. This will not be the way that you choose your classes officially, okay? So these are just notes where you're going to document your teacher recommendations and which electives you're interested in, and then you'll use this notes page to fill out the official Google form next Friday. Okay, so one more time, I just want to make it clear that this sheet is not your official course selection. All right, so you're going to be using this sheet during your meetings with teachers this week and next week. You'll see the first section says core class teacher recommendations. So this is where you'll be documenting what your teacher recommended for you. So let's say you meet with your science teacher first. You'll find science, you'll push that drop down arrow and choose your teacher. This is the 6th grade planning sheet. So you'll see 6th grade teachers, 7th graders, you'll see your teachers when you use your drop down menu. So let's say I'm a 6th grader and I have Miss Caswell. So I'm going to choose Miss Caswell. And then right here it says, what is the teacher recommendation for next year for you? So I'm going to use the drop down again, and there's the on level science or the honors level. Okay, so let's say Miss Caswell is recommending that I take the on level science. Now, even if I disagree and I think I want to take honors or I should take honors, right? I'm allowed to disagree, but for these notes, we want to put what the teacher is recommending, okay? So we're not going to change that. We're going to put what Miss Caswell recommended, okay? And you'll do this with each of your teachers. So let's say you meet with your math teacher, Mr. Scheidler, and he recommends Math 7 honors, okay? So that's how you'll fill that out as you meet with your teachers this week. You should not be filling out any of this section without talking with your teacher. All right, let's look at this next section called support class recommendations. Many of you will leave this completely blank, okay? So really, you need to only fill this section out if your teacher tells you to. And they will help you figure out what to select in each of these columns. Many students at Poe take support classes, okay? It could be to help with your reading skills, to help with your math skills, to help with, organization and, strategies that will help you be successful. It could also be for students who are learning the English language, right? So we have a lot of support classes at Poe and many students who take those classes. And so this is where you'll be able to sort of document those recommendations, okay? If your teacher does not tell you to fill out this section, then you leave it blank. All right, last section is electives. So again, this is the rising 7th grade, so our current 6th graders. So over on the left here, you'll see all of the electives available to 7th graders at Poe, which is quite a lot, okay? You'll notice that there are links in blue where we have videos linked so that you can meet the teachers and learn about the classes. We are going to have lots of time to do this next week, so you can wait and do it together with us, or if you want to start watching the videos, that's fine. And next week, you're going to work to create a list in order from 1st to 8th favorite of these electives. So you'll be copying and pasting them over in order. Okay, so that's all for now. You can go to the next slide and that will show you how to access your personal planning sheet. I highly suggest that you bookmark it, or at least that you know how to access it, because you will need to open this planning sheet every time you meet with your teachers. Okay, thanks guys.